guys, my name is Miriam. Welcome to Code Trainer. I'll be teaching you Python programming. Python is a very popular language and can be used for a variety of projects, such as creating applications, using it for web development, AI, automation, or machine learning. You can do so much with Python as it's a very powerful language. First thing that we need to do is install Python onto your desktop of your PC or your laptop. If you open up your web browser and type in python.org, as you can see in the address bar, it will bring you onto this web page. Once you come here, if you go to Downloads and select Download the latest version of Python, which is version 3.8.3. Once you come onto this page, for Windows, all you need to do is go down to the bottom and select the version for your operating system. If it's a 64-bit, you're looking for this file here, which is Windows x86-64 executable installer. You can also get it in a zip file, or you can download it directly from there. If you're wanting the 32-bit version, if you scroll further down and you go for this one here, which is Windows x86 executable installer. Once you click on it, it will begin to download and it will arrive in your downloads folder. Once you get to your downloads folder, if you double click on the program, it will take you through the setup screen. Make sure to highlight and check the box that says Add Python 3.8 to your path, as this is what you require to run your programs. Once you've selected it, select Install Now, and then press Yes again, and it'll take you through the setup progress. It shouldn't take too long. It only takes a couple of minutes to install this onto your system. In the Mac version, you don't need to check the box as it does it automatically for you. Once you do download it, you'll need to drag it into the applications and then re-click on the program executable file, and it'll begin the setup process. Once you have once you have installed Python onto your desktop, you have the option to delete the file from your downloads folder, or you can just leave it there. It won't make much of a difference as the program will be installed onto your device. As you can see, the setup was successful. All you need to do now is press close. The next thing that you will need is a code editor. This is your integrated development environment. For this, we'll be using PyCharm. So if you reopen up your web browser and you go to jetbrains.com/pycharm/download, as you can see in the top section, you'll have different versions that you can download it for, as there is multiple platforms that this can be used on. Again, select on the Windows version. Come down to where it says Professional or Community. Now, the difference between the two is the professional one, you actually have a free trial, but then it'll incur a charge, whereas the community one is purely for Python development and it's free and open source, which means that it's free. All you need to do is select the download button. It will begin the downloading of your executable file again, and it will again arrive in your downloads folder. Once in the downloads folder, all you need to do is double click the file, and it'll take you through the installation and setup process. Select Yes, and this is your setup wizard. Select Next. This is where you want to store your files. I'm choosing to install mine onto an external drive, as we'll be creating a lot of programs, but you can install it directly onto your device. Once you've selected the folder where you want to install it onto, select Next. And in this section, It says configure your PyCharm Community Edition of installation. I want to create a desktop shortcut, so I will select this box, but it will also be available in your menu. And you also want to select .py extensions, but you can also do this while you're creating the new project. Select next. If you don't want to automatically create associations, you can uncheck the box, and I can show you how to create the file in the next video of how to link it to your Python program. Select next, and then install. Now this process will take a bit longer than your Python program installation, but it shouldn't take too long. I'll extract your files and then begin to install. You can pause the video here and we'll come back to it once your installation is complete. So what I'll do for you is pause it at the moment and then rejoin you once the installation has succeeded. As you can see, I'm almost through the installation process. And that's us almost complete. If you select finish, that will close the wizard. You can close down your downloads folder, and that's you installed Python and PyCharm, your IDE, onto your device. In the next video, I'll teach you to create your first program. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.